Hello everyone and welcome to our fourth video in the series discussing data analysis and machine learning for water treatment and desalination. In this video we are going to use artificial intelligence and specifically deep learning in order to detect and classify membrane fouling or fouling types in our filtration system. Membrane fouling is one of the major drawbacks of membrane filtration. There are different types of membrane fouling, such as biofouling, inorganic fouling, and organic fouling. And in order to prevent and mitigate membrane fouling, we have, it's crucial to classify and detect each type of fouling that has been occurring in our system. And for this purpose, we are going to use a deep learning model called Convolutional Neural Network. And I can recommend you this video that is describing the intuition behind Convolutional Neural Network. You can get more information about it, and I will put the link in the description. But for now, let's speak about our workflow and let's speak about how can we use convolutional neural network for our. Suppose we have scanning electron microscope images of fouled membranes. Suppose we have a membrane with biofouling mainly and one with inorganic fouling and one with organic fouling. We already knew or identified each type of fouling using chemical analysis method or whatever method that we can use to identify fouling type. So after that, what we are going to do is to train the convolutional neural networks on those images. So for example, suppose we have a SE image of biofouling. So what we are going to do is to tell the convolutional neural network that this image is for biofouling. So we have an image and its label which is biofouling. CNN will extract a feature or pattern in the image and will store this image or this pattern. Then by the label of the image, CNN will know that those patterns are for biofouling. The same for inorganic fouling. We will train the CNN convolutional neural network by telling it that this image is for inorganic fouling. Then CNN will extract patterns and features of the image, and at the end, it will know that this is for inorganic fouling. And finally, for the same for organic one, images of organic of SEM for organic fouling, we will train the CNN on it. CNN will extract image patterns and features, and at the end, it will know that this is for organic. And now we are going to test our model by unknown image. Suppose we have SE image and we don't know which fouling it is. So we will upload this and put it or give it to the CNN model, and CNN model will extract patterns and will recognize those patterns. And based on training sets and the data that we already gave it to the CNN to be trained, it will recognize those patterns and it will give like a probabilistic distribution or probabilistic numbers for each fouling. Suppose it will give like 0.7 for inorganic, 0.2 for organic, and 0.1 for bio. Each number of this represents like the probability of the image to be like inorganic fouling or organic or biofouling. And based on the highest number, CNN will tell us that this is inorganic fouling based on patterns that CNN have been extracted from the image. And now let's use Python and some libraries like TensorFlow to implement the code to identify or to use CNN to identify and classify membrane fouling types in our membrane filtration system. And for this purpose, we are going to use some libraries like OS NumPy for fundamental packages. And I have already put it like the description for each library here. And we are going also to use a Keras model, which will provide a sequential class, which we will be used to clarify and to define our CNN model. Also, we have different libraries, so let's run this cell. So what I am going to do now is to upload fouling images from my computer. So let's run the cell. And for just for an example, I will upload just 3 images for now. One for biofouling, one for inorganic one, and one for organic fouling. As it will take some time, so I will come back to you after upload. Coming back after uploading images, as you can see here, we have different types of membrane fouling. We have biofouling, inorganic, and organic fouling. And you can see this is the difference between three of them. What we are going to do now is to perform a image pre-processing. We are going to convert images to array using NumPy array and also labels. Then we will split our data into train images, train labels, and test labels. After that, also we will convert labels to categorical format, and already I have put it here. See description for each process or each step. So let's run the cell. Like it was mentioned also that I am going to upload all images that I have in my folder because like more data like results in accurate results. So and like results in accuracy of the like increasing the accuracy of the model. So I'm going to upload all images. Then after that, I will perform pre-processing. Then we are going to define our CNN model, and at the end we will test our model and will use some like unknown image in order to predict use model to predict the type of membrane it is image. But we are going to do that in the next video. So see you then.